Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an animation very easily. So what you want to do is open up a tab, go on Scratch, then you want to go on Create, and then simply just start making animations. So I'm going to skip forward till I made my animation. I would recommend using backdrops, so I could make some more sprites for characters maybe. So yeah guys, I'll meet you guys since then. Here we go. Okay guys, so yeah. I made my sprites. So he's gonna walk there, then there, then there, then there. This is the easiest way I think you could do animation. Is completely well guys, so yeah, this is the easiest way to do it I think, because it's free and it's not even that hard. So yeah guys, I'm gonna choose a backdrop that it already has. So let's just, for example, maybe just like, blue sky, and we can put him down here, down there. So yeah, what we're gonna do is when flag is clicked, this is what I'm gonna do. When flag is clicked, switch costume to costume 2. So yeah. So now when flag is clicked, so let's see how many costumes there is. So 4. We want to do this first, and then do this, and go on repeat 4. Next costume, wait 1 second. So yeah, there we go guys. So yeah, there we go guys. So yeah. So now let's see. There we go. We got our first little animation right there. Goes back to the original. So now what I want to do is go on broadcast. Let's just do. There we go. I'm just kidding guys. Let's do scene. I recommend doing scene because it's easy to remember when you're doing something like this. And I'll go like when I receive scene, switch costume to costume 1. So that means his mouth is gonna open and he's gonna say something. You can record the sound if you want. You can record yourself talking. So yeah, but what I'm gonna do, thanks to little Scratch, we can do text to speech, and I'm gonna set the voice to tenor, which is like a male voice. I'm gonna see dude, real, dude, really. So
dude, really.
and I'm gonna do another broadcast. Let's do, for example, scene 2, and then we're gonna make another sprite of this guy, and he's gonna be yes, really. So when I see scene 2, we can copy this into there if we really wanted to. So and it's gonna say yes, really. Okay, so now let's see. Oh, wait a second.
Really? Yes, really. Dude, really? Yes, really.
See it? So
And there you go. If you do have a Scratch account,
believe the numbers,
you
gotta
could
get there, you gotta actually play it and see what it feels like.
share it to the whole entire world to Scratch, or you could install Bandicam or any kind of recording software. Do this, put it into this little screen right here, and voila. Look at this, guys. Whoa.
Really? Yes, really.
And there you go, guys. So yeah, goodbye, guys.